Hi guys, today I will be doing an unboxing of, oh, I forgot to say welcome to my channel. Thank you for tuning in. Today I will be doing a unboxing video of the MacBook Pro. I actually watched a couple unboxing videos and I noticed they ripped it like here, so I'm gonna do that. This is supposed, I should be filming this for oddly satisfying right now. Okay, so okay, I fucked that up pretty bad. Okay, well, it actually wasn't as satisfying as I thought it would be, but how do I get this out of the box? Okay, pop, pop. It's in a little plastic sleeve. I'm kind of scared to take it out actually, because I get things damaged and dirty really easily. Okay, and then it comes with, I guess, the charging port, the book. Whoa, this is heavy. I'm just smelling everything to try to get a whiff of that amazing smell that everyone's talking about. And I think that's it. Is it just that? Wait, where are my stickers? Maybe it's in here. Oh, here are the stickers. I honestly am not, I don't think I'm a fan of the silver, and I think I should have gotten the other color, but I know myself. I'm gonna get it dirty. I am going to put dents on it and everything, so I just, this was the right choice. Okay. Okay, let's open this baby up. Wow. Oh! Did it just turn on itself? Or did I click a button? I did the disappearing blanket paper.
To use English as the main language.
Oh my god. Guys, the mouse pad is huge. It is, I did not expect that. And the tab bar, I mean, I'm easily amused by a lot of things, so but it's just so beautiful, like holy fudgicles, like whew! Okay, so I know you guys are wondering, you know, is this laptop worth it? That is just based on your opinion, and to be honest, the only difference that I see is aesthetically. It is freaking gorgeous. Like bruh, the screen is mind-blowing. Like, it's literally like I don't even know what to say. It's so pretty, and it has iMovie, and you can use a lot of really great, from what I heard, a lot of really great editing programs on a MacBook versus like a Dell desktop. And so yeah, that is all I know. Thank you for watching my video. If you guys liked it, please give me a thumbs up, and if you want to follow me and see more of my videos, click the subscribe button somewhere over there. Okay. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.